Yeah, it's a toaster, but I thought I'd do a review because we just bought it. It wasn't sent to me. Our toaster's just packed up. So my wife ordered this. And the cheese grater. I didn't realise it was in the same box, but it was the cheese grater in there, so I took that out. So yeah, so this is Russell Hobbs. It has some buttons on the side. It's grey. Comes in 4 different colours actually. Comes in grey, black, cream or white. And in 2 different sizes, 2 bay or 4 bay. We've got the 2 bay, obviously. It has a crumbs tray, yeah. It's quite easy to open and close. It has the obviously up and down button, yeah. A dial for setting your temperature or for cooking. Eject button. I take it that's a defrost button. Not seen one of those before, and a cooking button or something. I don't know. I haven't read the instructions. Oh yeah, it comes with instructions as well. The lead is it's fairly long. It should be long enough for everyone, but you can actually make it shorter as well. I noticed you've got these little clips here. If you want to make it shorter, or just pack it up to move it somewhere, you can have it like that. Just an idea. Huh? So in this video, I'm not going to do an unboxing because I've just done it. In this video, we are going to be testing it, see if it's any good, and you know whether it can cook toast. Got a nice little feel to it. Yeah, see that? I don't know if you can see that, like a ripple effect. Yeah, quite nice. Now, one of the other things is, as always, I stick links in the video description, as you know, but I went on to the Amazon.com and I couldn't find it anywhere on there. So I don't think they actually do this worldwide. I know they do it in the UK because I can see it. Oh, and the other thing is, this one's out of stock. So with that, let's go and give it a test, shall we? Right, it does say in the instructions, for the first time use, put it on 6. So that's 6. Do that, let it heat up, and wait.
Moments later.
Christ, that took like forever. Right, now let's try it with some bread in it. So we've cleaned it all out now. So we need bits of bread. So I'm using brown bread for this. Do I need to go that way? Yeah, go that way. And I'm going to put, like I said, put it on number 2. So see that? It's on the side, the number, or the dot, to where to put the number. Here goes. Hopefully it should come out just right.
Moments later.
Oh, let's have a look. It's crispy, but there's not a lot of colour on it. So it may be number 3. So I'm going to put it back down again on number 2. So I reckon number 3.
Moments later.
Let me check it. Whee. They're not quite right yet. It's getting there. A little bit longer.
More moments later.
That's how she likes it. Slightly brown. Right, that's the first test out of the way. Now let's put some white bread in. Right, let's try a bit of white bread. Going to put it in that way. And it just fits. Push it down. Oops. And we're trying it on number 3. Well, it is a tight fit. On number 3.
More moments later.
Oh, it's finished. Oh, can I get it out? Oh, I can. Oh, that is very... Oh, no, that's not very good, is it? It's all right on that side, but it's a little bit disappointing on that side. It fits better now, though. So, I reckon maybe 3.5. Round about there.
More moments later.
Better check that. Oh, that's better. Golden brown. Very nice. Right, let's have a look at the old tray. Oh, it's got a few. Look. Oh, crumbs.
3 weeks later.
Verdict time. We've had it for a few weeks now and we wanted to make sure or I wanted to make sure before I tell you what I think about it, that we gave it a good proper test, and it's okay. I like the look of it. It looks quite modern. It's got a nice feel to it. It looks nice, but it has some issues. One being it doesn't cook the toast evenly. I mean, look at this. It looks fine, doesn't it? But look at the other side. Not so good. Yeah, and he's even got white bits up top. Yeah, and also you have to fill it in long ways, and it doesn't go in by itself. You have to force it down. Only on white bread though. You get brown bread, which is normally small anyway, that just fits in perfectly. But on normal white bread that you buy from a normal supermarket, normal loaf, it struggles to go in. They do, from what I understand, not this actual model, but you can buy longer toast slots, longer ones, so you can fit, normal size bread in. But it should be normal size bread. It should just fit in, and it doesn't. It doesn't fit in there perfectly or easily. You have to push it down, and if it's a little bit longer than normal, it won't pop up. You have to pull it up, literally. So yeah, two things I don't like about it. It doesn't evenly cook the toast, and it doesn't, or white bread doesn't fit in it easily as well. Apart from that, it's fine. It's got brown bread. It's fine. Again, it will not cook evenly on both sides. And my wife said, I am disappointed in the toaster. So I've got her verdict as well. And we are going to keep it though, because it's cheap and nasty. Well, it's not nasty. It's nice and cheap, and we bought it, and I threw the box away, so we can't send it back anyway. But apart from that, yeah, fine. If you're looking for a cheap toaster that does a reasonable job, I mean, that's edible, isn't it? It's reasonable. It's worth buying. I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. I'm going to eat my toast now.